Hello everyone. We are already start exercise 4a with question number 1 and 2. Here the examples also you solve in your books. One more time I will explain you that 8215 divided by 2. So first we will write the table of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 and 18. Now in 2's table 8 is coming, you have to check. Yes, it is coming. 2 4s are 8. So we will take 2 4s are 8. 8 minus 8, it is 0. We have to take a second number. Now 2 1s are 2. Now 2 minus 2 is 0. Now we are going to take a third number 1. Now can you divide 2 with the 1? No, it is not possible. So we have to take same another number with here, and before that we have to put 0 on the quotient. Quotient means in the answer. If we take two numbers together, we have to put 0 compulsory on the quotient. Okay, so 15 we will take. Now 15 is coming in the 2's table? No. So we are going to take 2 7s are 14. Now 5 minus 4 is 1 and 1 minus 1 is 0. So your answer is 4107. This way we are solve question number 1. Question number 2 is also solved like this. Here there are the 3 digits in the quotient. Now with the 0, we are going to solve third question, quotient with 0. Now what we are doing if 0 in question? So how we will use 0 in the answer quotient? Okay, now first we have to check in 4's table 8 is coming. Yes, 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So we are going to take 4 2s are 8. Okay, now 8 minus 8, it is 0. Second number we will take down. Now here cannot divide 4 with the 0. So we have to take a second number also on the down. But we cannot divide with the 0, so we have to take a second number, and before that we have to put 1 0 in the quotient. It is compulsory. Okay, now again we have to check that 9 is coming in the 4's table. No, so we are going to take 4 2s are 8. Now 9 minus 8, it is 1, and the next number down, it is 4 4s are 16. So what is our quotient? Answer 2024. Okay, this is called quotient with the 0. This way you have to solve all the questions in question, all the sums in question number 3. B1 1050 divided by 5. 1050 divided by 5. Now last time also I told you, if the first number is smaller than this divisor, we have to take a 2 numbers. So we are going to take 5 2s are 10. So 0 0. Now we will take a 5. Now 5 1s are 5. 5 minus 5 0. Next number will be on the down. But now we are again divide by this number with the 0. No. So what we are going to do, we have to put 0 on the top, and here your sum was also completed. Okay, so your quotient is 210.